In this lecture, we will learn about using delete statement in SQL. As the name suggests, delete statement is used to delete the data rows in a table. The delete statement can delete one or multiple data rows from a table. Where clause is used to specify the data rows to be deleted. Delete statement without where clause will delete all the data rows in a table. Here are the example delete statements. Let's learn about delete statement with some practical examples. Here I have logged in my MySQL database server using my root username and password. I'll select the school database using SQL statement use school. Now I'll run a simple SQL statement to display all the data rows in students2 table using SQL statement select star from students2. Currently the students2 table have 59 data rows. Let's delete a data row having student ID 60. The SQL statement will be delete from students2 where student ID equal to 60. This SQL statement will delete the data row where the student ID value is 60. I will press enter to execute the SQL statement. Now if we run SQL statement again to display all the data rows in students2 table, this time you can see we got only 58 rows and the student ID 60 is deleted successfully from the students2 table. We can also delete all the data rows in the table using SQL statement delete from students2. And now if we run the SQL statement again to display all the data rows in student2 table using select star from student2, we get an empty result set. That is all the 58 records successfully deleted from the students2 table.